Welcome to Mira by Bentley Home, where timeless elegance meets smart investment. In the heart of Dubai, Mira Residences and Mira Villas redefine luxury living with designs crafted to perfection and interiors inspired by Bentley's world-renowned craftsmanship. Here, every detail speaks of sophistication, from private pools and panoramic views to interiors that reflect pure class. This isn't just a home. It's a lifestyle, a legacy, and a long-term investment that grows with you. Whether you seek a serene villa for your family or a high-value property with excellent returns, Mira by Bentley Home offers the perfect opportunity. Step into a world where architecture meets artistry, and your investment turns into a statement of prestige. Own your piece of Dubai's most exclusive development. Because true luxury isn't just seen, it's lived. Mira by Bentley Home, a lifestyle beyond luxury.